ソックスファンはお祭り好きでね。行くぞ。
Alright guys, for today I'll show you how to do a Cinemagraph in Final Cut Pro. Editing terms, tools, and steps are basically the same, so you may also use this video as a guide when editing on Premiere Pro. Now let's get into it. I have chosen this clip where I was pouring coffee into the glass. Keep in mind that the effect works best when using videos or clips that were taken on a tripod. Let's start by duplicating the clip. Then, from the original clip, choose a frame that you want to freeze. I have already chosen a frame, now we add freeze frame. Select the freeze frame and put it on top of the second video. You may now delete your first video. Now we put on mask. Select draw mask from video effects, then drag it onto your top clip. Now we draw on the subject where we want it moving. We want to freeze everything on this clip except for the glass that is filling up with coffee. Then we invert mask. Since the top clip is shorter than the bottom clip, copy paste the top clip and then adjust it to the length of the clip below. We can also add a boomerang effect by duplicating all the clips, then reversing the clip below. And there goes our Cinemagraph. That's it from me. I hope you learned something. By the way, I just hit 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for all the support. I really appreciate you guys. Once again, this is Earl. I'm out. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next one. Peace.